Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the UrbanCompany mobile app works and whether it's worth using for booking home services such as cleaning, repairs, beauty treatments, and more. UrbanCompany, formerly known as UrbanClap, connects users with verified professionals offering a wide range of services including home cleaning, appliance repair, plumbing, electrical work, beauty and wellness services, and more. The app allows users to browse service categories, check provider profiles, read customer reviews, compare prices, and book appointments easily. One key advantage is the large network of vetted professionals, which helps ensure reliable and quality service. The app's user-friendly design makes searching and booking services simple and quick. It also offers transparent pricing and secure payment options. However, some drawbacks include occasional variability in service quality depending on the provider, limited availability in certain regions, and customer support response times that can sometimes be slow. Some users have also reported scheduling issues or cancellations. Overall, UrbanCompany is a solid choice for users looking to book various home and personal services through a convenient mobile app. It provides access to many service professionals but has some limitations to consider. If you have any questions or experiences with the app, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or other inquiries, refer to the description for email.